Here are 5 simple tips you can follow the next time you detail your vehicle so they can help you out and you can have a better time cleaning your vehicle. Number 1 is before you start washing the vehicle or rinsing it down, make sure to remove any debris, leaves, acorns, anything around the cowl hood area. That way when you're actually rinsing the vehicle or you're maybe finishing off and drying, you're not seeing more debris or dirt roll down the paint. So just pop the hood open, remove the leaves, blow it out, vacuum it up, whichever one you want to do. That way you have a clean surface around this area. Number 2 is instead of using very specific cleaners for specific surfaces, like a specific wheel cleaner, a specific tire cleaner, a specific floor mat cleaner, try to get more applications out of one product. So you could buy 4 different products, or you could use maybe an all-purpose cleaner and dilute it to maybe 1-to-1, 10-to-1, or straight if needed, and clean different surfaces but with one product. Yes, at some point you can start buying different things, but if you're on a budget, if you just want to keep it simple, you can just use an all-purpose cleaner diluted appropriately to clean different surfaces based on the condition and the strength that you need. Number 3 is after you've washed your vehicle and you've rinsed it down, yes, you can use a microfiber towel to dry your vehicle, but a very annoying thing that a lot of people miss, especially like car wash lots, is the standing water. So once you actually drive off, you have the water coming out of like the door handles, the emblems, the bed, the grill, the whatever. So instead of just driving off, you can use some kind of blower, whether it is your leaf blower, whether it's a small electrical duster that you have, whether it's like a canned air that you could purchase for like $8. Use some kind of air to get the water out of the tight areas. So that way when you drive off, you don't have a bunch of water coming out of your vehicle. Now this one might sound lame or boring, but number 4 is make sure you're wearing some basic protective gear when it comes to cleaning your wheels, tires, or engine bay. That's gonna be at least some kind of gloves and some kind of eyewear. When you're cleaning and you have the grime, the brake dust, some oil, grease, whatever, and you're using brushes, you don't want any of that hitting you in the face, in your eyes, and you don't want to get that all over your hand. So bare minimum, whether it's some cheap latex gloves, whether you have some cheap sunglasses that are basically like not sunglasses anymore, just use some kind of protective gear, because like, look, you might be cleaning on your own in your garage, but you don't want any of that on your hands or hitting you back in your face. I mean, even for us, we have a hard time following those rules all the time, but it's always better to be proactive and wearing some kind of protective gear. Number 5, this one might be the most difficult, but that's when it comes time to clean and detail your vehicle, try to do it when the outside elements are in your favor, whatever that means in your area, right? So if you want to wash your vehicle or if you want to clean the interior, don't do it when it's at 12 p.m. peak heat time with direct sunlight hitting your vehicle. If you're washing your vehicle, the water's gonna dry up faster. If you're cleaning the wheels, the chemical's gonna dry up faster. You're gonna get water spots on your paint. So that's obviously not gonna be a fun time. So if you can clean, detail your vehicle when it's first thing in the morning before the sun comes out, or maybe in the evening when there's more shade, if you can do it inside your garage, just whatever you can do to make the actual environment you're working in more favorable. Because what you don't want is like in your head, you want to go outside and like, spend like an hour just cleaning up your vehicle and make you feel good that you have a nice clean vehicle again, but you're literally sweating bullets, like the chemicals are drying, like the surfaces are hot to the touch, and it's just like, it makes it not a fun experience. So if possible, when possible, where possible, do it when the outside environment is favorable to you. And that's gonna end this video, short and simple. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.